Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change sound control settings on your Canon TS8351a. So if you want to change your sound controls, go to your icon. Now here select device settings and go to other device settings. Now here we will have our sound control. Here you guys can change the keypad volume. You can turn it off. And as you guys can see, now it's quiet. Here, if we try and enable it back, then we will still hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the microphone, but still it's working now. So basically that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.